Good day, ma'am. I am Maricel Anki, and today I will be going to demonstrate about bottle sterilization, making formula, feeding, and burping the baby. So first thing is to wear apron to avoid getting wet, to avoid our clothes from getting wet. The next is to wash our hands with soap and water. Then apply soap. Interlace. This is to avoid spread of microorganisms. Then rinse. And then dry our hands using clean cloth or a clean towel. So next is put on 2 inches of water inside the sterilizer and let it boil in a stove. Ito na siya isaksak. So after that, dismantle the feeding bottle. Then let's put a detergent in the water inside the basin. Then first to clean is the feeding bottle. So we should clean it inner first and then the outer part of the bottle. And then using the nipple brush, clean nato diri ang sa nipple ring dapit nga sa gina-attach siya sa nipple ring. And then use the aring supsa, then using the kaning dili talom to avoid scratches, then put on sa clean tray para easy na to siya pag-identify. Then next kay ang nipple ring. Same lang gapon sa inner to outer parts ang paglimpyo. Then next kay ang top. Use ra pud tag nipple brush. Then the outer part. Then next is the nipple ring. Using the nipple brush, clean the nipple ring inside and out. Then check if check if there is no obstruction by squeezing into the water. Dayon, use the toothpick if naapay mga gatas nga nabilin so that maupal to ang gatas nga nabilin by using the toothpick. So kay wala raman, so di na ta mo use of toothpick. Then butang diri, then include na lang pod og limpyo ang spatula, then ang food tong. Ang tong. Then ato siyang ilisan og tubig. Then rinse with clean water. Then kadua if necessary para malimpyo din sa maayo o dili siya manimahong sabon. So, after that, butang na to ang feeding bottle sa sulod sa sterilizer. Including the spatula o kaning tong. So, let it boil or sterilize for 15 to 20 minutes. Pero, kailangan na ito kuha ang iyahang nipple for 5 minutes. So, let's assume yun na human na ang 5 minutes. Kuhaon na ito una ang nipple using the tongue. So, gamit ang gloves sa pagkuha sa tongue. Then, kuhaon na ito una ang nipple. Then, put it here. Then, balik lang. Then, let's wait for 30 minutes. 15 minutes remaining. So, after 15 minutes, let's wait for to cool down. So, after waiting for 5 minutes sa pag-cool down, kuhaon na nato siya. Unahan na ito kuha ang tongue using a glove. Then, kuhaan na to siya ang feeding bottle. Then, ang nipple ring. And then, the cup. And then, the spatula. Then, next, takluban na to ang sterilizer. Then, ato siyang i-assemble. Dayon, prepare tang milk and the semi-hot water. Then, the formula is 1:2, means one cup of milk, one scoop of milk and 2 oz of water. So, after that, let's put the feeding bottle in a flat surface. Then, una natugbutang is ang water into a 2 oz. So, after natugbutang sa semi-hot water, let's put milk by using a scoop. Then, use a spatula to level the milk. Then, put on inside the bottle. Then, cover nipple ring and the cup. Then, shake well the formula into sideways. Then, check na to siya diri sa dalom if natunaw na ba ang gatas or milk. If wala. So, if wala pa, continue shaking sideways. So, check na to usab. So, natunaw na. Next step is to check sa atong inner rest if okay ra ba ang temperature. So, okay naman siya. Let's takluban na po na to. Then, kuhaon na to ang apron. And then, wash our hands again. then with soap to avoid spreading of microorganisms. Then rinse thoroughly with water. Then dry using clean cloth. Then prepare the feeding baby. Then put the burping cloth there is a shoulder. Then get the baby by supporting the neck. So ano to baby, then by supporting into the neck, then put on the bib on the baby's recent neck. Put on the bib. Then position the baby in a semi-upright position. Then lingkod ta diri. So kapag sa baby, then open the baby run. Then ato siyang ang nipple ato ita kuan sa by allowing to check the nipple on the baby's face, or check to stimulate the rooting reflex. Then after that position, feeding into titled position. So, if natunga na ang baby ron, kuan to siya, then let the baby ato ang tarapuhan ng iyang mouth using the bib, and then let the baby kuan na to ang baby into, then raise the shoulder ibutang, then make sure na dili makabaran ang iyahang mouth of nose, then pat the back of the baby para makaburp siya slowly. So after niya pag-burp, continue sa pagpadede sa baby. Then sugod na po to dre sa iyang face by checking or to stimulate the rooting reflex, then na ipatutoy. So let's assume nga nahurot na. Then trapuhan na po natin beb ang iyang mouth, and then atuan na po siyang ipa-burp dere shoulder dapat, then pat na po hinay-hinay. Make sure na dili matabunan iyang nose o mouth. Then after niya pag-burp, next step is kuhaon na to ang bib. Then put on here, and also next step is to check the diaper of the baby if na-soiled ba. So if na-soiled atong ilisang, So, wala pa man siya na soiled. So, dili ra ilisan. Then, indoors, ato ni siyang iuli sa crib. Or sa ato na sa crib. Then, make sure that safety ang baby. So, after nato siya iuli sa crib, next step is to do aftercare of the equipment. So, ato na po ning pugasan. Panghugasan nato ning mga equipments na nagamit nato. Then, put detergent dayon. Hugasan nato dire ang inner sa bottle. Then, ang output using this. And, ang sa nipple ring, kung asa ga-attach ang nipple ring, limpiwan na to usad maayo. Then, put dire. Then, also the nipple ring. Same sa gibuhat na po kaniya. And then, the nipple. Using the nipple brush, clean nato siya. Then, ang tongue and also the spatula. Then, discard the used water. Then, rinse thoroughly. Then, discard water. And also, ato ni siya ibutang sa clean tray. Ang nagamit na ito na feeding bottle. Then discard the used water. Then clean the area. And then wash our hands again. And then dry using clean cloth. So that's all for my demonstration. Thank you and God bless.